Joy Gurudev. Today we have received a very beautiful, request that Guruji, please tell us how we can perform Diwali Puja in our house. So Diwali Puja is not just performed on Diwali, it is performed from Dhanteras to Labh Panchami. But specifically on Diwali day, it is Deepavali. So it's something to do with the lamp. Lamp is Diya. So I will tell you a small doable puja that you can do. First of all, in the night you have to do it. So you take your bath in the night, become clean, and worship Mother Lakshmi, Saraswati, and Durga, all three together, and chant Om 3 times, and then say Om Ganganapate Namaha, Om Navgrade, Om Guruve Namaha, and Om Navgradevta Bhyo Namaha, and Om Shardaye Namaha, Om Mahalakshmiye Namaha, Om Ma Durgaye Namaha. These 5 energies we have to, 6 energies we have to go down to. Ganesha, Guru, Navgra, Saraswati, Lakshmi, and Saraswati, Sharda, Lakshmi, and Durga. After that, you have to pray to Lord Ganesha that no obstacles may come in between this puja. You have to say, Lord Ganesha, make sure that everything happens without any obstacles. If you know the mantra, Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Surikoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurumi Deva Sarvakaryesu Sarvada. You can chant that mantra. And after that, you have to sprinkle water all around to make all the items that you have brought and yourself and your family members auspicious, pure. So you have to say Pavitram, Pavitram, Pavitram and sprinkle the water, or if you know the mantra, Oma Pavitro, Pavitrova, Sarvagum Piva, Yet Pati Pandurikaksha, Sarvagum Pavitrova. And then what you have to do is, you have to lit lamps, because it is the festival of lamps. So you lit 1 lamp outside your house, you lit 1 lamp outside the door or outside the window in the south direction. And as many lamps you lit in your house, those many lamps, first thing in the morning, you have to donate them. Or on the previous day, you have to donate them. It is better if you donate them in the morning. Like if you're going to burn 11 lamps, you will be donating 11 lamps. And these are the numbers of lamps that you have to burn or you have to donate. Either 5 lamps, 11 lamps, 21 lamps, 54 lamps, or 108 lamps. You burn them, and that many lamps you have to donate. 1 lamp you have to take it inside your cash box. Just show the light inside your cash box and remove it. And you have to burn lemon essence sticks everywhere. 1 outside your house, 1 in the south direction, maybe outside the house or maybe outside the window. And everywhere you have to show the lemon essence sticks and let the negativity vanish. Okay. Then what you have to do is that in the cash box, you have to keep a orange and a gooseberry. It's known as Aula in Hindi. You keep it inside the cash box, keep it for 5, 10, 15 minutes, and then you can remove it. Inside the cash box, you must clean it very well, and you must make a swastikam with kumkum, red vermilion, and you must write Om inside it. Okay, and you can also make a Trishul if you want, but you can make a swastik and Om inside, and you must write Shri inside it. So this everyone must do, and everywhere in your house, temple, outside the door, everywhere you must lit lamps, and don't use those Chinese lamps, electric lamps. They are not good, and don't spoil the economy of a country by using Chinese products. Don't use any Chinese, lanterns, candles, or that fairy lights. Don't do that. Just use Indian products. And best is, you help those poor people with buying those matti ka lamp and burn those matti ke lamp. So This is it. This is how you perform the puja. And then you, if you know the mantras, you chant the mantras of Ma Kamla, your Ishtadevi, Vedic Lakshmi mantra. If you know, you can chant it. If you know the Vedic Gayatri mantra, you can chant the Gayatri mantra after lighting the lamp. You can offer the food in the temple, the yantras of your house which have been energized one day before that, Narak Chaturdashi, Kali Chaturdashi. On that day you worship Hanuman, Mother Kali, and you also, worship all the yantras. You energize all the yantras the previous day. You also clean the aura, space aura of your house, and you give it to the yakshas and the yakshinis outside. You are doing the yakshini sadhana, yaksha sadhana. You have ordered for the yantra. So it is better that you do this sadhana, do this all prayers one day before, and you offer sweets to God and goddesses, and you worship the small girls of the house as Goddess Lakshmi, or you worship the females of the house as Mother Lakshmi, and that will give you a lot of benefits, a lot of good luck to come in. You can also perform a yajna during Diwali, and you can have a lot of prosperity, lot of good health, and lot of fame, power, everything when you are doing specific puja on Diwali. But this, all that I have told you, is very important. Then there is another question, that what fruits must be offered to Lakshmi? Shri Suktam, chanting of Shri Suktam, going of Lakshmi Kalpa or Gaumukhi Shankha on Diwali is also very auspicious. Ringing the bell is also very auspicious. Then there is one more question, that Guruji, what must we do? What fruits must we offer to Lakshmi? People say we must offer 5 fruits. So which fruits must we offer? So there is one thing which is known as water chestnut, which is known as Singhoda in Hindi. It is very dear to Lakshmi. You can keep that. Then there is one thing which is known as oranges. Oranges are priya, pomegranate, sugarcane, and coconut. These 5 fruits are very dear to Lakshmi. So you can keep these 5 fruits and they will give you immense benefits. I'll repeat: pomegranate, water chestnut, Singhoda, and oranges. And then we have, after oranges, we also have sugarcane and coconut. These 5 fruits are very important. They will give you immense benefits when you offer it to Goddess Lakshmi. Okay, so please perform this puja. If you have any difficulties, you can connect with us. We are going to do a live puja online for all our viewers on Zoom call. So if you want to join in, if you want to connect in, you can contact us. Okay? Hari Om. That's it.